What's up, guys? How you doing today? This is Philly Tom. I'm upstairs. I'm on the second floor of my hostel. Let me show you where I stay at so you can get a feel. I'll show you a quick area, quick tour. That's where I stay at. We stay in these capsule-like little places, as you can see. And then you have a curtain that closes it, so you have your little privacy. That's where Philly Dom is staying at. This is my exact one. This is where I'm staying at exactly. You know it's me because you see the colorful hoodie that I always wear, a backpack. And then it's, as you can see, 1, 2, 3. And then if you pay a little bit more, you can get a big one, like this. And the one with the curtains over there, that means people are in there sleeping right now. But this is where I stay at. So the backpackers. And like I said before, this is my exact spot right here. This is my exact spot where I stay at right here. Now let's come outside. I got my laundry, I gotta wash my clothes. See my iPad, I take many videos with that iPad. This is all of my phones, and this is laptop. And I'm getting ready to upload some videos. So let me show you this is a private room. So if you had a private room, it would look like this. They're making up the room. They gave me a couple minutes to show you guys. And this is a private room. And this runs for like $35 a night or $30 a night, something around that much. So you got a TV, you got internet, and then this is your air conditioner. Also, you have a fan right here as well, and this is a private room. And here's the bathroom. Because you guys are worrying about the bathroom, this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Sink, paper, soap, toilet paper, boom, and this is the shower area right here. And this is a private room where I'm staying at the hostel that I'm staying at. So now you know what a private room looks like at a hostel. $35 a night, and you got 2 beds in there. So say if you and a buddy came, you get 1 bed, they get the other bed, and you split it, and it'd be a lot cheaper. Also, let me show you one more thing. People always ask, like, where do you put your stuff at? They have lockers. Let me show you the lockers. See, this is a locker. You put your stuff in the locker. This is a locker without the lock key. And here you go. This is where you put all your belongings right here. And you can lock it up right there. See, the person has a locker on theirs. The person has a locker. Once again, this is it right here. So you put it in here. And the room I'm staying at is $11 a night. And the shared bathroom, let me show you the shared bathroom. Now private, that was a private bathroom. This is a shared bathroom right here. Let me take the showers right there. And this is a shared bathroom that me and the people right here share together. People in this room. And also you see we have an air conditioner as well. We walk upstairs in 1 second. Now here is the balcony. Hey, this is the balcony area right here. This is where I'll be doing a lot of the videos at. I do the uploading. What's up? We got a guy right there. Don't they ask, where you from?
Guatemala.
Guatemala. He's here visiting from Guatemala. And this is the beautiful view at the hostel where I'm staying at. Right here. Let me walk downstairs real quick. Let you see downstairs part of the hostel, and that'll be it. So you get a quick tour of Philly Dom's hostel. Let me take my luggage. Not my luggage, but my clothes have to be washed. Let me take them down up. Let me close my little curtain. But this is me. This is where Philly Dom been staying at for over 2 weeks. Down here, right here. Let me just close my curtain, like boom. And that's the lights right there. I'm cutting it off. And that's mine. That's my little spot right here. And I'm gonna get my clothes washed real quick. So I gotta give them that real quick downstairs. So let me let you see. That's it. Downstairs in the hostel. See? People in the hostel. Everybody's in the hostel. See? See? There. And this is the front desk, and this is the manager at the hostel. You see the Salvadoran flag in the background, some people running around. And this is the hostel. And then right over here is the kitchen. People was asking about the kitchen. This is the kitchen of the hostel right here. And then they have a menu, you can order food and different things like that. And that's a quick tour of the hostel. So once again, take care. And you'll see Philly Dom in more videos. And I'll leave you guys with this little sign right here. Smile, you're in El Salvador. Peace out.